Thank you to my Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to Xavier Zamora, Velima Brakovich, Troy Smothers, Murad Shaker, Victor Vegas, and Safe Moon Oz for being higher level patrons. You can join that for as little as $1 a month. There is a link down in the description below. Also, thank you to my YouTube members. You can click the join button below this video if you'd like to show your support there. Please keep in mind that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research. I highly encourage you to go do your own research. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into this. There was a post that has come out from STRONGR. This was getting quite hyped up for today, for March 29th. And we didn't know exactly what it was going to entail. We just knew that it was going to have something related to STRONGR, because that is the next evolutionary trend. That is the objective push that their team is doing, and that is to help try and remedy a lot of the issues with kind of just node projects in general, but more specifically what's been going on with the production rate of Strong over on its first design system, right? So there's already information that's out there that talks more about STRONGR and the Strong block and kind of what that's going to entail. But this specifically, let's go ahead and highlight this post. First off is that there's a video that's 1 minute and 4 seconds long. I'm going to go ahead and play this video, and you're just going to briefly hear this. I don't know if that's copyrighted music or not, but you kind of get a general vibe that it's a hype sort of theme, right? So it says the evolution, and we could just see things that are being worked on a little bit. The evolution of Strong is here. And it looks like something's being worked on. A lot of machinery going on, obviously. I don't really need to narrate all this, but I could also just be completely quiet during the course of the video itself. But as you guys can clearly see, they are trying to hype things moving forward with this. A lot of technical components coming together to try and release a next phase that can really help progressively move the entire project, the whole core basis of what this has built. It's very important to a lot of people. A lot of people put a lot of money into this. And so it says stand by, and then it gives you the STRONGR logo, right? So then it says STRONGR, welcome to the evolution. So, obviously trying to hype people up for what's coming. And STRONGR, now we have a more definitive date. So yes, you have people that are upset because it's an announcement of an announcement kind of a thing, but a lot of people have been wanting to know a specific date. And guess what? A lot of projects, they don't give you dates. And a lot of other projects will give you dates, and they also fail on delivery of those dates. So the STRONGR token is already minted. In fact, they have a follow-up post underneath this, which I will provide a link to in the description. You can go check that out for yourselves. And let's start with the tweet, though. It says, Node Army, March 29th, STRONGR token minted. So that is today. It is already minted right now. April 3rd, Discord voice AMA, 8 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. And I've been looking over in the Discord. A lot of people are asking questions for sure. But what they're going to be trying to do, it looks like, is gathering some main questions to have to present for that AMA. So yes, I understand a post like this does raise more questions. I get it. And people want to have all the answers all at once. But if you expected to have all your answers in one single tweet, I hate to break it to you, something like this, you're probably not going to get that. And in this case, you didn't get that. So don't really know how much people were expecting there. But let's go ahead and continue on. Discord voice AMA. So again, that will be on April 3rd, and that is in Discord. Their Discord. April 4th, the following day, expect a Medium article. And then April 5th, upgrade to STRONGR starts. It says we're stronger together. So let's go ahead and go take a look over here. Etherscan, we can see that there are 10 million STRONGR tokens for the supply. 10 million. All right. The age, 1 hour, 25 minutes. Well, it's a little bit more than that now. Yeah, 1 hour and 40 minutes ago, as I was preparing everything for this video here. Strong, let's go ahead and see how the price action movement is going on there. It is at $122.43. This video did just come out a little bit ago. It is 3:03 p.m. of its posting time. It is 3:34 p.m. So it's been a little bit over half an hour. More and more people are starting to share it and kind of talk about it. It's doing quite well for engagements, to be quite honest with you. And yeah, just kind of keep an eye on the price of Strong. It could very well be, and it looks to be, one of the circumstances of buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing, right? So it is down 9.25% for the Strong price of $121.11. The news itself is quite invigorating, to see that this is going to be coming up here very soon. And we're looking at, about a week or so away from this taking place. And I also went up to Uniswap just to kind of see what's going on here. And I pasted the contract address from Stronger into Uniswap. And if I put a dollar value in with this, it just doesn't say anything. Insufficient liquidity for this trade. So as far as Uniswap goes, at least if you're to try and do this, there's nothing being provided there. And that's one of the things people are kind of wondering, is if you could technically start buying this right now. And, as far as I could tell, it's to show, look, this is it. This is what you need to be prepared for. This is the correct address, right? So the contract address, they've already publicly shared that. Nobody should be falling, but people often do for scams of these things. So having that on standby for when April 5th comes up is more than likely when we should expect any activities for this to start moving. But, I'm keeping an eye on what's going on with their Discord. They're saying, hey, go take a look over what's going on with the announcements. We have that information readily available for that as well. And yes, so that is, I believe that's basically it. Yes, that is it. So let me know what you guys think about this. Are you excited about Stronger moving on? Do you think that the price of Strong before the launch of the upgrading process for Stronger, do you think Strong is going to hit below $100? Do you think it's going to maintain itself? What do you think? I feel that there could be it could literally go either way, because now that we have a date for this, some people might be like, well, you know what? I want to go and get my Strong node set up before it's too late. And so you got this big rally push for people to try and get this all together so that they can be able to get that node set up, right? And if you do that, then that increases the demand. More people are likely to come in to try and get their nodes established. On the other hand, you could have people that are like, well, I'm just going to start cashing in my profits because I don't know what's going to happen with the official launch of the upgrade process. And I don't know. There's so many different factors that come into play here, but I'm just sharing with you what's going on in the moment. So let me know what you guys think about all this in the comments down below. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just sharing my opinion on this. I do have referral links in the description if you want to get free crypto, free stock. The link to this for the Ether scan will also be in the description. If you guys are new to the channel, do not forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. It definitely helps us out with the YouTube search algorithm. Click the bell icon. God bless, and I will see you in the next episode.